Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn Lone Star. This one will have that 5.7 liter Hemi V8 and it is running smooth, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a tour. Love those LED headlights, painted alloy wheels, tow package, power sliding back window. Go ahead and take it for a tour of the interior. Let's have gray fabric seats and 115 volt outlet right there. 4 other outlets. Tons of space. Has the deep Ram floor mats. There's your VIN right there. All right, and as we look down here, you'll see that it has 12,691 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your push to talk, trip computer, cruise controls, and stereo controls, 2 and 4-wheel drive, auto start stop, and there's your shifter, ignition, stereo, which will turn down all the way so you can hear me. Okay, as you come up above, you'll see that it does have Bluetooth. And then AM, FM, Sirius XM. We already went over climate, but you would turn on your heated front seats or your heated steering wheel from here. And then there's your apps, then your other controls that I took you to earlier, and your settings. And then if you wanted to see the backup camera, you pop it in reverse. And there's your HD backup camera. Okay, and you can also turn on your heated seats this way as well instead of just a touch screen. And then you have your auxiliary port and 4 other power ports down here. And then you also have another 115 volt outlet down there. Tons of stowage and cup holders. All right, and that is also adjustable to where you could put that whatever you wanted it. Your key fob. All right, coming up here you have 2 glove compartments, your controls for your sliding back window, and that about wraps it up for this Ram on the interior. This truck does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.